How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Rabbit Transit Garage. Well, the body work continues on the Dart. So we're working on the remainder of the wheelhouse. Got a little bit to do before we can put the extension in and then put the quarter panel on. Hang around. Let's get to work. The simple shape in the wheelhouse that I thought would be simple turns out to be a little more complex than I originally anticipated. So this is what it looks like. So this is for this area right here. Here is the piece. So the intention is to slide this in here. I should have recorded prior to welding the plate on here, but I'll show you what we're going to do with that. So the intention is to go here and patch this hole here, or patch the rust right here, and I'll show you what we're doing. So this line right there is the inner wheelhouse lip, right down here. And what I'm going to do is I welded this plate in here, and I'm going to trim on the back side here all this out so the wheel lip retains. And then I have the tab to weld right in here for the lower, or for the extension. So that's kind of what we're gunning for. So we'll cut some metal away and see what we got. So I cut this away. This was all one big welded mass that you've seen before. This will slip up like so. I'll cut the original wheelhouse away. This will take the place of it. And this is all solid up here. So I'm basically going to trim right here. And that will be the new replacement metal here. And then this here will provide a tack spot for the extension, or the drop down, when that's installed. So, pretty slick. Just like so. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to tack these up here, clean them up.
I'm a dummy.
Look at it.
Yep.
Nice. So I got this welded up. So now it's unitized. Got it cut. And that's where we're going to cut it. So I can get rid of all the crusty metal and put the new one in. Couple spots to fill. Beautiful thing.
One day I'll stop doing that.
What's that?
Looking over the camera. Oh, that was close.
Hmm?
You jumped up right in front of me.
Oh, did I?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah.
No more rust.
She's getting there.
Beautiful. So this is what we got. Our patch is made here. We got our flange on the back side to mount the or to tack the drop down to. We got our wheel lip duplicated. We have this patch made, this patch made, this patch made. So next we'll end up dragging the quarter panel over and trimming away what's unnecessary here to duplicate the factory contour of the quarter panel. And then, so we'll finish that off, and then I can run the wheel lip where necessary. I already have a wheel lip here, I already have one here, and I have one here. So I'll just make the wheel lip, weld the wheel lip where necessary, and then finish up a couple spots, do some finish grinding, rust proof it, seal it, paint it, and this will be done. And then we can move on to the drop down. So we're almost there, one piece at a time, literally one piece at a time, because this piece, that's a piece, that's a piece, and that's a piece. So all to avoid replacing the entire wheelhouse. And then we can put our quarter panel on and we should be ready to roll. It is a little more time consuming doing it this way. I could have just cut the quarter panel out and done it as an assembly, but I prefer to do it this way. So it's been fun. So I hope you enjoyed that. Literally one piece at a time. It is a little time consuming, but it's getting done. So hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Have a good one. Bye-bye.